Hey, I feel so weird filming this video. I don't know why, because I just think I haven't filmed anything like this in so long. So I thought that it might be a good idea to do a haul video, because I don't know about anybody else, but I have been living in comfy clothes for literally the last 3 months, and I have absolutely no plans on changing that anytime soon, and neither does the government. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that today. So I did a bit of an order on Pretty Little Thing. I tend to just go for ASOS and I find everything I need there. But I thought I'd branch out a little bit, and I actually found some really nice things on there. So I feel like I'll probably be going back to shop there again. So I'm going to try on a few of the things that I got, and I kind of have like an overall theme of like loungewear, kind of like lockdown clothes, I guess. Because obviously here in the UK we've been in lockdown since December, like a proper strict lockdown with nothing open, and it's been hell. So we've all just been doing nothing indoors. So I thought, why not treat myself to some new clothes that I can wear indoors? Yeah, I never thought I'd see myself in a tracksuit, but I have been wearing them every single day. So there we are. These are my 2 bags that I've got. So actually the first thing I'm wearing at the moment is this red hoodie. It's very comfortable, it's very oversized, it's got a lovely fleece inside, which is really soft, which I look out for all the time when it comes to hoodies and sweatshirts and jumpers and everything like that, because I can't be dealing with that, like, you know, the feel of it when it goes in the washing machine too many times and it starts to go rough. If I buy it like that, I don't want it. So I need to have the softness, at least in the beginning. So I got this, which I'll put all the prices on screen somewhere, but this was the first thing I got. And then with this, I got the tracksuit bottoms, and those are these, the same material. They've just got like a little drawstring in the middle, and they are cuffed legs. These are sold separately, so you have to buy each one separately. I had to kind of hope for the best and hope that they matched, and they did, so that's good. But yeah, that's the first one, and I've forgotten how to do these videos. I think I've described everything. Yeah, anyway, moving on. The next thing I have is probably my favourite thing from the haul, actually. Yeah, and it's another hoodie, so it's got a nice hood, and it says Pretty Little Thing in the middle in white embroidery there. But I really love the colour. It's like a orangey, like, I don't know what colour, like, yeah, like a kind of like a faded burnt orange, I guess. But it's so soft inside, this hoodie, and I don't know, I love it. And then with that I got the matching bottoms, which are the same colour, really nice colour. They've got the drawstring in white, and then they've got the embroidery on the leg as well. So I feel like when I wear, and it's also got cuffed bottoms, I feel like when I wear like a put together tracksuit that's a nice put together tracksuit, I feel like even though my life isn't together, it's a little bit together, you know what I mean? Like in the smallest way it can be together, it is. I think I'll be wearing that a whole lot. So the next thing I have are these, which are flared kind of just ribbed trousers, but they're like, what am I trying to say? Not jeans. Like just soft, I don't know. Oh, I can't talk today. These are just basically like kind of casual ribbed flared black trousers. But I will say these are mega long, and I ordered these, which are the regular ones, and the tall ones, because I am tall. And then they said that the tall ones were out of stock, so they didn't send those. So I was like, okay, well hopefully the regulars are long enough. They are long enough. They're actually too long for even me, and I'm 5'10", and they come like under my heel a little bit. So I think if you're any smaller than like 5'11", maybe go for the petite, if they do a petite version, because these are really, really long. But I like that because it's really hard for me to find things that are long enough. So it's nice that they do cater for tall people. And also if you're smaller, I guess you can always get it turned up. But yeah, I do really like these though. I won't be turning them up. They're not like crazy, crazy long that I can't deal with it, but definitely a little bit longer than what I'm used to buying from shops. But I really like them. They are like, they're kind of a little bit see-through, I guess. I don't know if you can see, but like if you wear it with like nude underwear, then it's fine. And I just wear these like around the house, or if I'm going for a lockdown walk. I actually don't do anything with my life these days. So if I'm going for a lockdown walk or lounging around the house, which is what I do every day, I'll probably wear these. They're good to just throw on if you just need to like go outside and people will see you, because I don't really like going outside in tracksuits. Not that I judge anyone who does, but personally, I don't know, I just feel a bit like, I don't know, a bit weird in tracksuits outside. So I'll put on these with a hoodie instead if I'm ever going out, which isn't very often, to be honest, but yeah. The next thing I have, just open this actually, I don't even know if it's gonna fit, is this. Oh yeah, I was like, what did I get this for? Now I remember why. So basically, what the heck is going on here? The back on this is crazy, look at that. Okay, so this is basically just like a little silk cami crop top, basically. The reason I got this is because I have a white cardigan that's just like a tie-up one in the front, like one tie, but after you tie it up, it's just there, like open. So I wanted to get something underneath it that looked nice still, but that wasn't gonna make the cardigan so like revealing. So I just got this to go underneath it. I'm not sure how it will look. I'll obviously show you if it does look good. The back is mental though. I thought it was just going to be like a normal crop top, but yeah, that's wild. Okay, cool. The next thing I got it in 2 different colours. So I'll show you the black one first, which is this. It's like a corset top, and it's got these like crazy like buckle things, which are an actual corset thing. I wore this for my birthday in the white version, so I'll post a picture of that. But yeah, I think it's really nice. I do like things like this because I think they're really flattering, especially when you are trying to like give a bit more tailoring, shall we say, to your waist. Corset style things I think always look really flattering on anybody. So yeah, it's cute, and also because it goes down in the middle, like here, I don't know, I think it's really flattering on like your waist. It just makes it all look more cinched. Obviously, if not everybody's going for a cinched waist, and that's fine too, but personally I am. This is the white. Yeah, thought they were really cute. These are definitely like a vibe for like going for brunch in the spring or the summer, which I hope with all my heart that we are allowed to do, or just like around someone's house if you're having like a nice drink session when we can. Oh, life is so depressing, isn't it? One day I'll get to wear that out in public. The next thing I got is kind of similar to the corset tops that I just showed. It's just like a slightly different style because it's got sleeves. So this one, it's got the same buckles down the front, and this one's just got like big puffy sleeves. I have tried this one on, and I can't remember whether it was too big or too small, so I guess when I try it on and you can see, you'll be able to tell. But yeah, I remember it definitely not fitting well, so I'm going to send this one back, but it's still cute. I really kind of wanted this to fit because it's like a princess top. I actually haven't tried these on yet, so I don't know if they're going to fit, so I guess you'll see in the try on. But I got this, which is a zip up like sport jacket. I have my moments where I'm in this mode where I want to do loads of exercise, and then I have like the complete opposite the week after and I do nothing. So I got some new gym wear to try and encourage me to stay more active, and I like it. Actually, this one doesn't have it, but I like it when they have the thumb hooks. But this one does have pockets, and I actually had an attempted mugging on me the other week when I was out jogging, so pockets are a absolute necessity for me now. Oh, I also got this one, but I actually love this one because this one's got a hood. So this is another kind of sporty jacket thing. It doesn't have the thumb hooks again, but it does have pockets. It just has like kind of put your hand in pockets, which is better than no pocket, but still I'd rather have a zip one. But yeah, this is just a plain black kind of sports hoodie, I guess. Hopefully it will encourage me to get out a bit more and start jogging again. But who knows, we'll wait and see on that one, I'm afraid. And that, my friends, is it. It was like a little short video, and I know I've been absolutely horrendous at uploading recently, but you'd think in lockdown you'd have all the time in the world. I actually don't. I don't know why, but the days just slip by, the weeks slip by, and then the months go by really slowly, which is weird, but that is just how it is, I'm afraid. But on a serious note, I hope everybody's doing okay, because I definitely know that some days I'm not okay, and that's okay, but we all plod on, don't we? So yeah, I just hope everyone's feeling all right. Hopefully almost at the end of this, get your vaccines, and we will all be together again soon. But yeah, seriously, have an amazing week as much as you can, and stay safe and stay sane, and I love you all, and I hope you're all okay, and sending lots of love. So yeah, I will see you soon.